So we're going to look at lowest common multiples, and we'll focus on common multiples to start. A lot of times this is your teacher or your book will list this as LCM, or even CM for common multiples. Okay, so we're going to look for the LCM of 2 and 5. Okay, so we're going to take the number 2 and the number 5. And what we're going to do is we're going to list all the multiples. So what that means is we're going to go by, and I'm going to make this like a chart. So my two columns, or sorry, my two rows are 2 and 5, and my columns are multiplied by 1, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3, by 4.
How long will it go on?
And technically this can go on forever. So, not 70. Oh, where did I get 70? I'm going to go to 10, just so we get used to it. Okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to just circle all our common multiples and then focus on the lowest one. You really only have to go until you find the first one, because the first one will always be the lowest common multiple. Okay? So let's just list our multiples of 2. All right? What's 2 times 1?
2.
And then 2?
4.
So let's start listing
6. 8. 10. 12. 14. 16. 18. 20.
Beautiful. Okay? Let's go with 5.
10.
So I'm finding the slope.
Oh,
5.
5.
So 5. And 5 times 2 is?
10. 15. 20. 25. 30.
Nice.
35. 40. 45. 50.
Beautiful. Okay, so let's talk about all our common multiples. We'll highlight those in yellow to start. What's a common multiple between 2 and 5? And let's go with the bigger number, because the bigger number will have the larger gaps in between. So if we just focus on that one, it will find our common multiple faster.
20.
Okay, so 20 works, yeah.
10. Also works.
10 works, yeah. Any others? No, because 20 is the ending point and 20 is here, right? Technically, we'll end up at 30, and then 30 will be another. But our focus is the lowest common multiple, okay? So of the two that we found out, right, and we know that these technically keep going forever, the lowest one is only the first one. So which one was our lowest common multiple? Which was the smallest number there? For our
Besides itself.
Oh, yeah, you're right. We could have... well, besides itself, even itself, 1 and 5 aren't common multiples, right? So of these two, 10 and 20?
10.
Yeah, 10. So the number 10 is our LCM. Now, I'm going to show you a little trick. So our LCM was equal to 10. We got it. Common multiples. Let's see if we can figure out a pattern between these two numbers. What's a common multiple? We got 10. What else do we get?
20.
What do you think the next one might be?
30.
Yeah, and then
40.
yeah, so it just keeps going and going, right? So there we go. We can almost list our common multiples all the way through. Now, normally we only look for the lowest common multiple because that helps us when we're reducing numbers or putting fractions together in terms of denominators, okay?